Hi everyone, this quick video is going to show you how to access a Canvas link that is shareable so your students can quickly access your Canvas courses from home. Many of you have already taught your students, and in that case they should be set up to be successful with remote online Canvas learning. But just in case they forget, they have technical difficulties, or their parents need assistance, we are also going to share these links. So we're starting in NC Ed Cloud. What you're looking at is my dashboard, and I'm going to my Canvas icon. Once I open Canvas, I'm going to my course. When I open my course, I'm going down to settings, and you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. There is a small link to more options. Click that, and you will want to make sure that this checkbox has been clicked. That allows the self-enroll, and then when that is clicked, you will want to highlight this URL address because that is the one that I need to be able to post your Canvas course. The text right above it says this course has enabled open enrollment. That's what that checkbox is. And students can self-enroll in the course once you share with them this URL. So I just need the https URL. You're going to hit, while it's highlighted, hit Control C, and then if you go to your email, you will just type it into an email, hit Control V, and send me that link, and I will make sure that it gets uploaded so that anything we share has a direct link to your Canvas course so that students can access. Now, many of you have already shared your Canvas course with me, but I'm a student in your Canvas course, so I can't get this URL address. So even if you've already shared it with me, please go in and copy this, paste it in an email, and send it to me so that I can update our documents. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a happy Sunday.